Hello. It's been a while since I've done a video. Since I had the Tiger 900, so I thought I'd better do something. A lot's changed. Since that, I have sold the Thruxton. That went to a guy who turned out to be a dealer and put it for sale the next day for £2,000 extra. So that was a bit disappointing because I was really hoping that'd be cherished by someone and loved, but it wasn't to be. And I have bought a Triumph T100 Bonneville 865 air-cooled, and then had that chopped to bits and turned into a bit of a desert sled sort of style thing. And it's phenomenal. I absolutely love it. Everything I wanted from a bike for cruising about and enjoying. So that's been amazing. I will do a video on that at some point. And for the winter and adventures, I've bought a Yamaha Tenere 700, which I'm absolutely loving as well. So 2 bikes that I love. The Tenere has had a few mods so far. So I've done the Black Widow exhaust, full system. Done the Garda bash plate and crash guards. Put some Mitas Enduro XT Trail Plus tyres on, which I'm looking forward to trying. And next weekend, I think it's going to have the Holy Moly retro kit installed, which I can't wait for. It might not be to everyone's cup of tea, but I just think it looks unreal. So yeah, looking forward to that, and I'll do a proper video then. And tomorrow, I'm off to the Peak District with the boys to ride around the peaks, do a bit of camping, and give the Tenere its first proper experience of adventure. So really looking forward to that. I'll try and get some content so that I can add it onto this video. And if I have, here it is. Looks beastie. And these are the Merlin Denali gloves. Quite nice. Since I've had the remap done, this thing is an absolute beast. Acceleration on it is crazy. So first stop was to meet Matt Unparalleled Twin and Chris Charles, underscore Chris Charles from Instagram. And then we were going to get started from there, leaving from Peterborough. Right. How you doing?
Morning, darling.
Good to see you.
Good to see you, mate.
Good to see you. Huh?
No, it's noisier than this. This is just a pipe on that, it's not a decant or that.
Oh, isn't it?
It sounds good though. It sounds good. You sound playing it.
Yeah, it sounds sick.
I'm just going to put some fuel in.
Yeah, go for it, mate.
Yeah. And this was where the day started off badly. Went to put fuel in and poured it all over myself and the tank. So I knew it was going to be a bad day from that point. We went from Market Deep in, heading up towards the A52 to meet our friend Stu, who had come down from Sleaford to meet us. And The next bad part of the day was pulling over into a lay-by to meet him and dropping the bike for the first time. Just underneath and camber, and I messed it up. But other than that, that was fine. And then we headed off towards Derby, and then making our way over to Peak District. So, as I mentioned, I had the remap done after fitting the Black Widow headers and end cam. It's really transformed the bike. It feels a lot more responsive, throttles a lot smoother all through the power range, and a lot more grunt at the low end. But yeah, as you can hear from this, it sounds pretty nice. So yeah, we headed over, and this is us just starting to make our way into the Peak District. Scenery completely transforms as soon as you get into there. It's just such a stunning place. Considering it's England, we have got so much beauty on our doorstep that we just don't take enough notice of. Bakewell was rammed. Coming into Bakewell, there's quite a lot of traffic here. With the weather during the day, stayed pretty dry, sunny in spells. And then here we were on our way to a little Greasy Spoon to meet up with our friend, another off Instagram, Chris Little Barja. He's got a beautiful little customised monkey bike. So we headed over to meet him, which we'll get to in a second. Alright, mate.
Good.
Alright, how are you?
That's what I'm doing. How we all moved it. Chris just said. Well, I can't believe it. Abby's birthday on Thursday.
Amazing, isn't it?
Yeah. So just that bit of road there.
So from here we headed off to our campsite at Sweet Knoll. Lovely little place, dropped the bags off, and then went off and did all the usual Lady Bower Reservoir, went all round and stopped at the pub near the Lady Bower Reservoir and got some food, and then went back to the campsite, and it pissed it down all night, so didn't get any footage of the campsite because it was just raining, but we had a few beers and had a good time, and then got to bed ready for today, which this is us just leaving the campsite and then heading off to find some green lanes. So Chris's boss was kind enough to lend him his Tenere, which is amazing of him. So obviously he didn't partake in the green lanes, but we didn't do anything too heavy. Obviously this is a lot of our first time off-roading, so just wanted to take it light. But riding around the peaks anyway is just phenomenal. The scenery is incredible, and considering where we live in the Fens, everything is flat, completely flat. So it's nice to actually see some hills, some mountains, some scenery, take it all in. It's one of my favourite places to ride. Did it before on my Thruxton and it was horrendous, but doing it on this, it was an absolute joy. Could have done all day. I think we rode 12 hours that first day, so it was a long old day. Bum hurt a bit from the seat, but nothing too strenuous. Yeah, if you get a chance, just go riding with your mates. I mean, I'd love to do a long distance journey, go over to Europe and things like that, but work and life commitments stop that. But just get away for a night. One night's camping, that's all it was, but we had a good full 2 days of riding. You cannot beat just getting away with your friends. So this was the start of the green lane. More like a little gravel track really, it's nothing major, but still when you've only ever ridden on tarmac, this was interesting to say the least. Managed to do all this though without dropping it, and then after that I dropped it. Better put this in even though it's not in the right format, just to show it's not all fun and games. Apologies for the language, it was highly embarrassing.
I know. Oh fucking fuck's sake!
The time at the gym paid off though. So I was able to get the bike up fairly easily.
I should be. Cheers. Oh, fucking hell.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. It's just the camber.
You're alright, don't sweat up too much. Yeah, just the bar in, mate. Once you've done it, you don't have to worry about doing it, I guess.
I know, but you do all that bit and then on the road. Fucking typical.
And you do a button camera.
Oh fuck, I do as well. Shit.
You do, it's still recording.
Oh, that's definitely not going anywhere.
Fortunately, this was about the only damage, so the crash bars did their job. Brilliant product by Garda. Only fitted them a week before though, so a little bit disappointing. We headed over to a really cool biker cafe. There's loads of old guys there on their classic bikes, so that was really cool. Had some food there, and then we headed home via Monsell Point, maybe. Literally, they're just enjoying the beauty of Monsell Point, taking it in. It really is a stunning place. And then it was off home for the 2 hours back to Peterborough. Thanks for watching.